In this video, I will show you how to clear your Google Drive storage. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To clear your storage, whether you want to free up space or just basically tidy up your Google Drive, of course the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to your Google Drive. Once you've done that, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account by checking your account in the top right hand corner. And once you've done that, to clear up your storage, just come over to the menu on the left hand side and click down here onto storage. From here, you can see I'm currently using 8.2 gigabyte of 15 gigabyte, and this is currently taken up by Google Drive and Gmail. So from here, what you want to do is click the clean up space option, which is going to take you across to your Google One Storage Manager. So your Google One Storage Manager is basically your storage is shared across different Google services, for example, Google Photos, Drive, Gmail, and other services. From here, if you actually scroll down to the bottom, you can see you've got the option to clean up by service, and under here, you want to click onto Google Drive. What that's going to do is take you across to items from your Google Drive. By default, it's going to show the largest drive files on your Google Drive, which generally is going to be videos. After this, you can scroll down and you're going to see after videos, you should have photos. And then of course, you're going to get things like documents and files, which are of course the smallest items. Now to go ahead and delete any files to free up space on your Google Drive, all you need to do is select the files that you want to delete from here. So for example, if I wanted to delete these top 4, I would just simply click the top left hand circle to tick and select these 4 items. Once that's done, what you can do is come up and click the delete button in the top right hand corner, which is going to bring up a window like this. Just a note that deleted items can't be recovered, so make sure to tick the box to understand. And then what you can do is click the permanently delete button. So it's just going to take a minute or two to delete. After doing that, it's going to tell you how much space you've got back, and that is how to clear your Google Drive storage. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.